In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layers in PowerPoint, the feature that gives you total control over every element on your slide. If you've ever struggled with overlapping shapes, text boxes, or images, this guide will help you organize them like a pro. Let's start with how to access layers. In PowerPoint, layers are managed through the Selection pane. To open it, head to the Home tab on the ribbon, go to the Editing group, click Select, and then choose Selection Pane. You'll now see a panel on the right side of your screen listing every object on your slide. From here, you can do a lot. First, rename your objects. Instead of leaving them as Rectangle 4 or Text Box 7, double-click the name and type something descriptive. This makes it much easier to keep track of complex slides. Next, you can change the order of objects. Simply drag them up or down in the list. Moving them higher brings them forward, and lower sends them backward. If you only need quick adjustments, right-click on an object and use Bring to Front or Send to Back. You also get options for visibility and locking. Click the little eye icon to hide objects temporarily, which is super useful when things get crowded. And if you don't want to accidentally move something, click the lock icon to freeze it in place. For even better organization, you can group objects together. Hold down Control, select multiple items, right-click, and choose Group. This way, they act as one unit, making them easier to move or resize consistently. And don't forget about alignment. Go to the View tab and turn on Guides and Grids to position everything perfectly. This gives your slides a polished, professional layout. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick best practices. Keep your design simple to avoid clutter. Always use high-quality images, group-related items to stay organized, and test your presentation on different devices to make sure it looks great everywhere. That's it. You now know how to fully master layers in PowerPoint. With these tools, you'll never have to fight with overlapping objects again. If you found this helpful, make sure to try it out in your next presentation and watch how much smoother your workflow becomes.